Hey, what's up, folks? This is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, the channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. Today's video is going to be all about the Flow blockchain and the Flow token. So if you haven't heard of Flow, it's probably not a very widely recognized name in the crypto space, but what they are known for is a platform known as NBA Top Shot. So I'm going to be talking about that a little bit in today's video, in addition to some of their other impressive partnerships and what they're doing here with the Flow project and the Flow token. So you're not going to want to miss this one, as they already have real world use case. This project is in play today. They've got lots of users. I'll be talking about that as well. And so we're going to be giving you a thorough review all about Flow, what it is, where we think it's headed by year-end 2021. I'll give you who the founders are, a little bit about the team, a little bit of background. So lots of great information, all right? Now, as always, make sure if you enjoyed today's video to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you click the bell, you'll be made aware whenever I post time-sensitive content just like this. And now, let's get it going. So what is Flow? Well, Flow is a fast, decentralized blockchain for apps, games, and NFTs. And as I mentioned in the intro, the biggest thing they have going for them right now is NBA Top Shot. So for anyone new to this, NBA Top Shot is almost like what baseball cards used to be 20 years ago, except for today it is a digital NFT that collectors can buy online through NBA Top Shot and add to their collection. So the way it works is that NFTs are sold in packs, or there is also an NFT marketplace that can be filtered by the common tier. So this is where we have an edition size of over 10,000 editions of a certain image. We have a rare tier where we have 150 to 4,999 in the edition size. We also have a legendary tier where we have 25 to 499 in the edition size. Now you can also search by the set, we can search by the player, we can filter by the team, we can filter by the latest moments, and we can also filter by the most valuable listings, which even go up in excess of $250,000 fiat. So at the end of the day, users can purchase their favorite moments as NFTs. Pretty cool. Now, Flow also has partnerships with the UFC, Dr. Seuss, Samsung, Ubisoft, Warner Music Group, and others. Now, Flow offers a developer-first experience with built-in logging support. We have Cadence, their easy-to-use programming language for decentralized applications and digital assets, upgradable smart contracts, and fast finality. Now, Flow is engineered to be consumer-friendly with a mainstream-ready experience with payment on-ramps and ecosystems optimized for consumer applications. We have human-readable security to build trust in the system and protect users. Smart user accounts make it easy for decentralized applications or wallets to pay transaction fees or recover lost keys. And incentives for early adopters in the form of Flow tokens. Now, Flow achieves dramatic improvement in speed and throughput by splitting the role of a validator into 4 parts. So first of all, we have the collector nodes increase efficiency. Next, we have execution nodes that enable speed and scale. We have verifier nodes that guarantee correctness, and consensus nodes to ensure decentralization. Now, all applications on Flow run in the same shared execution state, allowing every application to be a platform. They refer to this as ACID transaction, or one atomic, consistent, isolated, and durable transaction. They cite that sharing and layer 2 solutions break composability and reduce network effects for decentralized apps and smart contracts by removing ACID guarantees, okay? Now, for those who don't know, Flow was created by Dapper Labs, with the founders being Roham Garaguzlu and Dieter Shirley. Now, what's also interesting is that Caddy Tedman, the head of partnerships, was the head of partnerships at Axiom Zen, and prior to that spent 10 years in sports technology in various roles with the NHL, the NFL, and ESPN. Now, if we look at a broader view of the partnerships, outside of those mentioned earlier, we also have the NFL Players Association. We have multiple universities. We have T-Systems with AKA the T-Mobile logo, and various players in the crypto space, including we have Anchor, Binance, Chainlink, Kraken, and others. Now, for news, Flow does have a blog on their website at onflow.org where they post about recent news as well as highlight partnerships. Now, a couple pieces that I found interesting that were recently posted. So first of all, Flow created a stablecoin. This is Flow USD to allow projects to increase target audience and enrich user engagement. We also had Flow partner with Enway to launch a fully licensed NFT Olympic pin collection. That's pretty awesome. Now, Flow also has an active Twitter page at Flow Blockchain, as well as Discord. They have Telegram, and they even have a YouTube channel. So by all means, check that out, okay? So, let's talk token. So, Flow is the native token of the ecosystem and is used for transaction fees, as a medium of exchange, as a deposit for data storage, as collateral for secondary tokens, and for participation in governance. Now, Flow can be staked to validate the network. Target staking ratios are based on the following chart for validator roles. And so a total supply of Flow tokens is 1,250,000,000, broken out based on the following chart. All right. Now, Flow is currently ranked number 107 with a market cap of just over 546 million. If we insert the chart here, you can see that Flow started trading just on the 27th of January of this year at $8.26. Now, as of today, 6/10/21, the token was trading at $12.92, meaning thus far this year, Flow has increased 56%, okay? Now, if we insert the trading view chart here, you can see that money started flowing out of Flow. That's the red wave on the market cipher around April 9th. We also had a bearish cross of the 20 and 50-day moving averages on May 11th. Now, if we look at the zoomed out trading view chart, if Flow stayed within the trend lines, it could finish the year between $28.50 and $66.82, which basically falls somewhere between a 2 to 5x, which is my price prediction today for Flow, a 2 to 5x, based on what we know. Now, if there's additional partnerships, it could go significantly higher than that, okay? Now, what you need to know is that similar to the video I did yesterday on Dent, that Flow is currently sitting at the bottom of the trend line. So if you think Flow has a future in crypto and beyond, this could basically be an opportunity, all right? Now, where you can purchase Flow is through Huobi. We have Kraken, Gate.io, OKX, Crypto.com, amongst others. And note that I do have referral links in the video description with free money bonuses. If you pursue any of those, you will get that free money, and you also help support the channel. So thank you, all right? Now, for the final thoughts on Flow, look what they've already done with NBA Top Shot, right? So there's a real-world use case. They have real-world partnerships. And the platform is doing excellent as evidenced by the 500,000 plus users. Add to that some of the investors in Flow, which I haven't mentioned yet, include multiple NBA players. We have prior relationships with the NHL and NFL from the head of partnerships. And I think Flow has a very bright future. So it's so early in this one that long-term, it could be a significant contender in the NFT space, which it already is with the NBA. So I think Flow looks like a fantastic platform. They've proven that what they do works, and why couldn't they apply this to multiple leagues? You look at leagues all over the world, you look at the rest of the big ones in the US, you look at the football in Europe, there's so much potential here. So the fact that they've already done it with the NBA and shown that it works, I don't see why they couldn't apply the same model to other leagues. So That being said, I see Flow having a very bright future in the NFT space. As I mentioned earlier, NFTs are kind of like what baseball cards used to be. It's just today's version of it. So we don't have those old baseball cards anymore that you're collecting. Now we have NFTs that are digital that you're still collecting. There are rare editions of them. There are ones that are worth a lot. It's kind of the same thing, just a digital version. All right? So that's it for today's video on Flow. I hope you learned a little bit. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. As always, I am also on Twitter at KIR Finance, where you can find me tweeting and retweeting on a regular basis. Check me out there. And for a friendly reminder, this is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, the channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. And I will see you on the next one. Later.